Next, after completion of the mouth, next we are discussing about the buccal cavity. The mouth is leads into buccal cavity. So what is the buccal cavity? Buccal cavity is nothing but it is one of the cavity in between of upper jaw and lower jaw. The cavity in between of lower jaw and upper jaw. There is in a buccal cavity, there is a three organs are there. These are useful for mastication in your digestion. First one is tooth or teeth. Second one, tongue. Third is salivary glands. These are there in buccal cavity. First we are discussing about teeth. Yes. What is the teeth? Teeth are masticatory organs. These are located in buccal cavity. Okay. So these are located in buccal cavity. The teeth are originated from ecto and mesodermal origin. Ecto and mesodermal origin. These are masticatory organs. Masticatory organs. Masticator means masticator in function. Masticator in function. Okay, these are originated from ecto and mesodermal. Originated from ecto and mesodermal origin. Ecto and mesodermal origin. If you take the teeth containing three regions. What is the crown, neck and root? Okay. The crown region is originated from ectodermal origin. And next one, neck and root. These two are originated from mesodermal origin, like that ecto and mesodermal origin in embryonic development. Originated from the embryonic development. Let's see the teeth. In our human beings, the teeth are arising from the jaws are fused with the jaw. Or the teeth are arising from the jaw are fused with the jaw. This type of teeth are called arising from the jaw are fused with the jaw. This type of teeth are shown heterodont dentation. This type of teeth are shown thecodont dentation. This type of teeth are shown thecodont dentation. Next one. What is that? What is the thecodont dentation? The teeth are arising from the jaw are fused with the jaw. The type of dentation is called thecodont dentation. Okay. Next one, heterodont dentation. Heterodont dentation. What is the meaning of heterodont dentation? Hetero means different. Hetero means different. Hetero means difference. There is a different type of teeth are present in our jaw region. The different type of teeth are present. Different type of teeth are present in our jaw region. How many types of teeth are there? There is a 4 different type of teeth are present. Like these are structurally, functionally, these are completely different. So these type of teeth are called as a heterodont dentation. What is the meaning of heterodont dentation? Which teeth are functionally and structurally or functionally different from others. So the type of teeth are called as a heterodont dentation. Majorly there is a 4 different type of teeth are present. What are the first one? Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. We are discussing about each and everything. First one, what is that? Let's start. Incisors. Incisors. What is the incisor? These are front teeth. These are front teeth of each both jaw. These are frontal teeth. Frontal teeth of both jaw. The frontal teeth of both jaw. These are located in premaxilla. Located in premaxilla. Located in premaxilla on above the maxilla and above the maxilla. Sorry, mandibles. It is located in premaxilla and above the mandible. Okay, how many number? These are 8 in number. These are 8 in number. A total 2 jaws. In 2 jaws, how many are there? These are 8 in number. So what is the meaning of incisor? Incisor. What is the meaning of incisor? The word of incisor is derived from Latin. The word of incisor derived from Latin. What is the meaning of incisor? Incisor nothing but insider. What is that? Insider. Nothing but cutting. Insider nothing but cutting. The word of incisor, it is derived from the Latin. What is the incisor? Incisor nothing but insider. Insider are nothing but cutting. Okay. So these are the function of the incisor is for cutting of the food. Cutting of food. The second one, canines. Canines. These are very long and sharp teeth. These are very long and sharp. Sharp teeth. Canines are long and sharp teeth. These are 4 in number. 4 in number of both 2 jaws. Of 2 jaws. The 4 in number in both 2 jaws. So these canines, most important information about the canine. The canines called as a dog teeth or eye teeth. These canines are called as a dog teeth. Very, very important. Called as a dog teeth or eye teeth. Means why? Because they are called as dog teeth. These canines are most number of the teeth are present in dogs. Like mammalians. It's also mammalia. Like mammalia. What is the eye teeth? These nerves are related to the eye. Optic. So these canines are called as a eye teeth. What is that? Eye teeth. These are 4 in number, sharp and long teeth. So these are functioning of canines. Function is tearing of the food. Tearing of food. The third one is premolar. Premolar. Premolar is commonly called as a bicuspid teeth. Commonly called as a bicuspids. Bicuspid teeth. Premolar teeth is commonly called as a bicuspid teeth. Why? Because these are have a 2 cusps. How many cusps are there? 2 cusps are there. These are have 2 cusps. What is the meaning of cusps? Cusp nothing but on surface of the premolar region there have a number of the projections and depressions. If this is a diagram of the premolar, the more number of the projections and depressions. Projections and depressions. The projections and depressions are called as a cusps. How many cusps are there? 2 cusps are there. What is the purpose of the cusp? Cusps are useful for crushing of the food. Crushing of the food. How many number? The premolar 18 number in 2 jars. 8 premolars are there in 2 jars. Next one, the last one is molar teeth. The fourth teeth is molar teeth. This molar teeth located in quadra region of jaw, means inner side, nothing but the deeper side of the jaw, nothing but terminal region of the jaw. Okay, so these are have, it is a very large teeth, it's a large and wide teeth, large and wide teeth. These are very huge in number. These are very huge in number. Huge in number. Okay, how many teeth are there? These are approximately 12 teeth. 12 teeth are present in both jaws. How many? 12 teeth are present in both jaws. Okay, it is useful for mastication, grinding and tearing. The functioning of all 3 teeth. What is the function? Grinding, tearing, grinding and tearing, and etc. Okay, next one, in the molar teeth, it is a commonly called as a wisdom teeth. It is commonly called wisdom teeth. Why? Because this teeth appears after 21 years. This teeth appears after 21 years. So this teeth is called as a wisdom teeth. This teeth containing cusps. These cusps are useful for crushing and mastication of the food. Crushing or mastication of the food. So this is information about the molar teeth. And there 4 teeth are there. First one, incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Let's count it. The incisors 8, canines 4, premolars 8 and molar teeth are 12. How many number? There is 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 12, 32. The total complete 2 jaws are having 32 teeth. So this is the information about the different type of heterodont dentation. We are completion of thecodont and heterodont. Next one, diphenodont dentation. After completion of the heterodont dentation, next one, the teeth are shown diphenodont dentation. So what is the meaning of diphenodont dentation? Dipheno means, di means 2, dont dentation means these animals are shown, nothing but human beings are shown 2 different type of teeth from their entire life. The 2 different type of teeth are formed, milk teeth and permanent teeth. That is called diphenodont dentation. First one is milk teeth. Second one is permanent teeth. This milk and permanent teeth both are called as a dentation is called as a diphenodont dentation. First one, the milk teeth. The dental formula of the milk teeth is 2102 by 2102. It is a dental formula of the milk teeth. And as well as the permanent teeth means adult teeth. Adult teeth is 2123 by 2123. We are discussing about the permanent dental formula of the adult. What is the dental formula of the adult and dental formula of the children? The dental formula in adult. What are they? First one, 2123 by 2123. What are the first one? What is the 21? What is the 2123? 21 is number 2 means incisors. C 1 for canines. 2 for premolar, 3 for molar teeth. Okay, these are number. Let's discussing about the each and every dental. Let's show the diagram. The jaw, in the jaw region, in this jaw region, if you take the half of the jaw contains, what are the first one? These are the frontal of the jaw containing incisors, two incisors, canines, one canine, half of the jaw, and premolar, two premolar, and molar. Molar teeth are 3. Means half of the jaw containing 3 molar, 2 premolar, 1 canine, and 2 incisor. Half of the jaw like 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. How many? 5, 6, 7, 8. Half of the jaw, only half of the jaw containing 8 teeth, means the complete one jaw. The complete one jaw containing 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Only if you take the upper jaw or lower jaw, any one jaw containing 16 teeth. Okay, the two jaws are containing 16 plus 16 is equal to 32 teeth. This is a 32 teeth are permanent teeth in adult. So that is called as a dental formula of 2123 by 2123. It is a perfect, what is the information about the dental formula? The half of the jaw containing 8, the remaining half of the jaw containing 8, the complete one jaw containing 16, the upper and lower jaw, the remaining other jaw containing 13 plus 13, 32 teeth are present in complete 2 jaws. And as well as take the dental formula in children's. First one, 2102 by 2102. What are they? 2 is incisors, 1 canines, 0 absence of premolar. Absence of premolar in children's. The children's are absence of premolar, but the presence of 2 molar teeth. Presence of molar teeth means present, absent, and present. And which one absent? Premolar teeth is absent. So this is absent. We are indicating with 0 like that. 2102 by 2102 like that. If you are shown with the diagram, if you take the jaw, again half of the jaw, there have a 4 different type of teeth in 4 different type of places. There are absent. First one, incisors. How many? 2, 1, canines 1, and what is the premolars are absent in 0, and next one, molars in 2 in number. How many? 2, 1, 2. That 2, 1, 2 means 2, 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. In children, there is a heavy 5 teeth are of the half of the jaw. Half of the jaw contain only 5 teeth. The full jaw containing 10 teeth. The complete full jaw containing 10 are upper jaw or lower jaw, 10 teeth. And again, the remaining one jaw containing 10 plus 10, 20 teeth. Means in children, there is a heavy only 20 teeth. The adults have containing 32 teeth. So the type of dentation is called diphenodont dentation. What is the diphenodont dentation? There is a 2 types of teeth. One teeth are called as a milk teeth, one teeth is called as a permanent teeth. The milk teeth is completely replaced by the permanent teeth. These milk teeth are what is the loss of the milk teeth? The milk teeth is replaced by the permanent teeth. But the permanent teeth, if you are loss of the permanent teeth, cannot able to replace. So that is called as a diphenodont dentation. Next, what is that? What is a monophyodont dentation? Next one, the monophyodont dentation. So what is the monophyodont dentation? Mono means single. Mono means single teeth. Single teeth means the teeth are never replaced. The teeth are never replaced. These are always in what is that, in the jaw region? It is permanently. That type of teeth are called monophyodont dentation. These are, let's discussing about the monophyodont. In adult individuals, containing 32 teeth are present. In children's have 20 teeth are there. Okay. 32 minus 20 is equal to 12. These 12 teeth are called as a monophyodont. These 12 teeth are always there in our jaw. So the teeth are called as a monophyodont dentation. So today we are completion about what is the mouth, what is the buccal cavity. The buccal cavity consistent of teeth, the types of teeth, what is the monophyodont, thecodont, heterodont, and different type of structure of the teeth. Thank you.